Hi, my young friends. Don't make yourself free after the completion of syllabus. Real preparation starts after the completion of the syllabus. What type of questions and what are their weightage? How to handle? So all these we have to keep ready before we go for the annual examination. Okay. So today we are going to discuss some selected questions. Okay. Randomly, I have selected from the past papers so that same may occur. Sometimes repetition of the same pattern may appear in the examination. Okay, so let us start today's session. I welcome you all for today's session on discussion on questions specially selected from the sample papers. Okay, right. When carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of conc H2SO4, pleasant fruity smelling compound is formed according to this equation. Organic acid, carboxylic acid with alcohol gives ethyl ethanoate plus water. Okay. Now, the question is you identify the compound formed which has got pleasant fruity smell. According to the equation, it is ethyl ethanoate. Okay. For this, what you have to do? Take 1 ml of ethanol in a test tube and add 1 ml of acetic acid in this test tube and add a few drops of conc H2SO4 which acts as a dehydrating agent for this reaction. Okay, and that is it will facilitate the removal of water. Heat the content on water bath for about 5 minutes. Why water bath? Because this contains alcohol. Alcohol catches fire soon. Therefore, we avoid direct heating. So we heat indirectly. Okay, right. Then smell the resulting mixture formed. The resulting mixture formed is what? It is ester. The type of the organic compound formed in this activity is ester. Esters are formed by the combination of carboxylic acid and alcohol. Okay, right. He will ask what? Either he will ask name of the ester or formula, or he will give these two and remaining two he will give gap. Or what you will ask, he will give this test tube explanation and he will ask to write the balanced chemical equation. So in different form, this question may be framed. Okay, right. Now, here he has taken silver chloride. This is sunlight. So what type of reaction happens? Answer is it is the decomposition of silver chloride using sun energy, which comes under the photochemical decomposition. Okay, so 2AgCl to give 2Ag plus Cl2. Chlorine escapes and grayish white powder forms in the water. This china dish or watch glass. That is the chemical equation for this activity. Okay, same activity you can conduct for silver bromide. So silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. All these examples are examples for photochemical reactions. Okay, right. Photochemical, especially decomposition. Now, please see this one. Beaker, water, quicklime is added. What happens? Quicklime formula CaO, water, H2O, CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. This is called slaked lime. Okay, so this is an example for combination reaction, also exothermic reaction. Okay, so many names you can give for this activity. This is the most common household activity what we do whenever you go for the whitewashing. So we bring quicklime from the market, which are like a stones. Okay, then it is water placed in water on previous night, so that next morning it will become like a butter white color. It's like lime. That is after mixing water, a proper amount of water, proper proportion of water, we go for the whitewashing. Okay, so this activity tells the combination reaction. This one you see, anode impure copper, cathode pure copper, copper solution, electrodes battery, electrolytic cell, impurity which is known as the anode mud. So this figure tells what? This is refining of metals. Okay, metals are extracted from their ores by 3 steps. Step number 1, concentration of an ore. Step number 2, reduction of an ore. Third step is refinement of a metal. Once the metal is ready, it is almost pure, maybe 90 to 95, or sometimes if you are very good in extraction, we go up to 97, 98 also. But still, if you want further purification, close to 100%, the time will go for the refining of metals. So this activity or this figure is an example for refining of metal, especially water, because he has taken copper sulfate, and impure copper, pure copper. So from this we can conclude that this is refining of copper metal. Okay, right. And here are some questions I am giving you. So please read the question and write down. Okay, this is a practice for you. Okay, all these are very important questions, right? Okay, so take your own time and work out in the rough, and afterwards you maintain the fair. These are some hydrocarbons. Using IUPAC nomenclature, you name this. Okay, so I will not tell the name because already I told the rules and regulations. So here are the 4 examples. So kindly name these 4 examples. About this only I will discuss next time. Okay, in the next session, about the previous slide where I have given some example questions, that is left to you. About this I will discuss because this is very important. Even for the 11th and 12th also, this type of questions you will get in the examination. Therefore, only these 4 I will discuss in our session. So till then, you keep thinking. Okay. So revision starts by now. Thank you and all.